Hey guys, Todd here. If you tow heavy loads and you want to add an element of safety and comfort to your ride, check out the LoadLifter 5000 and 5000 Ultimate Airbag Kits from Airlift. Now first, let's talk about what they do for safety. Whenever you hook up to a heavy load, a lot of times that weight will bring the back of the truck down and squat, and that creates a number of issues. First of all, it brings your headlights up and now it's aimed into the oncoming traffic. Because you've just shifted the weight to the rear of the vehicle and off of the front, your front braking and steering is reduced. And if your trailer is uneven and it starts to sway, it can start to sway violently and you can start to lose control of the truck. LoadLifter 5000 airbag kits are an adjustable air spring offering up to 5,000 pounds of load correction, and they're made for half-ton to 1-ton trucks. Because they bring the rear of the vehicle back up to level ride height, they correct all those issues and restore proper handling dynamics. As for comfort, when the back of your truck is squatted, it's lower in the suspension travel. That puts a lot more tension on your factory springs, which gives you a much harsher ride. When your suspension is lower to the ground, it's a whole lot easier to bottom out on a bump, sending a huge jolt through the entire cab. Because the LoadLifter springs will bring your truck back up to a regular ride height, it makes for a much more enjoyable and comfortable ride. Using your airbags is easy. Just inflate the bags to bring the back of the truck back up to level after you connect to your trailer and deflate after you disconnect. You can inflate your bags manually, or you can even add an onboard compressor system and do it remotely. LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate adds an internal jounce bumper inside the airbag so your truck won't bottom out and possibly damage the system if you hit a rough patch of road. Each kit will include 2 airbags, vehicle-specific mounting brackets, and hardware for a perfect fit on your truck. They're made in USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. We ship them for free to the lower 48 states. So if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.